guys. This is the beginning of our trip. We've got Ben, Bo, Dave. We're gonna go pick up some denatured alcohol and maybe some snacks. I don't know. And then we're gonna get out of here. Schloss. Picking up a few things at Bilo. What are we doing, guys?
Just waiting.
Okay, we found something that we absolutely have to have for our camping trip. It's a shake weight.
I think that we've been in this general area of Virginia for 2 hours. We gotta get out of here, man.
Schloss?
Schloss.
Alright.
I have no idea what that was. So Ben's filling up the tire pressure. So how's the front seat, Dave?
Oh, it's so roomy and spacious and awesome. I hope you get hit in the face with the airbag. Don't let him in.
Really?
See, what we are witnessing here is the lofty task of getting directions.
This is the most efficient way to get to where we're going.
We're on the road now. We got a pretty good driving song, actually.
You're kidding me.
Holy shit.
I don't believe you'll be able to make it through there.
He's doing Austin Powers' turn.
Alright, best of luck.
Well, damn it, boys.
We are now careening back down the mountain. So, any updates, Dave?
No. Roads are still icy.
I want to give a shout out to that ice road trucker.
I'm just happy we're here.
Oh, National Forest. Oh.
Levy.
There it goes.
What was the name of this one?
This.
Dunkin' Knob was the one we were gonna go to. Little Schloss.
I think we've arrived. Okay, so I got my finger trapped in the boulder. Okay, and I'm trying to hack it off, right? They all think it's funny, but it's not funny at all.
Oh man, you hate to see that.
I got some napkins.
I will explain what happened. This is a Target special, and normally knives like this luck out, and this one does not. Popped open like that.
I didn't pay for that feature.
And my finger was in here.
Faulty tool.
That's how you make gravy. We ready?
I believe so.
We're ready.
Got our one casualty.
Nothing else could go
All
wrong.
that.
Ice road trucker. Frank cuts his finger off. Deliverance crowd shows up and warns us about a squall using those words.
Just adjusting things. There's
Be sure to get Bo's jeggings. Jegging.
Holy shit. That's awesome.
yeah, pretty legit.
Yeah.
There's David. Gonna do this with one hand on the flip cam and then the other hand nursing its wounds. Whew. Good view. Here comes the David.
Is this a little slice knob or a little Schloss knob?
This is a little Schloss.
Schlob knocker?
Schloss.
Schloss.
There's our packs. Came up with that stuff. Okay.
Alright, so here we have Frank.
A stove.
We have a fire going. It used to be really awesome, but now it's dying. Ben is doing his own thing over here. Bo, no one knows what he does. And sun's gone.
What time is it? It's like 4 in the morning or something?
Also known as
7:25.
7:30.
Oh, we met some locals.
Yeah, I met some locals.
They told us to watch our cornhole.
The guy's name was the Red Humper, was that right?
Backdoor Bob was his alias.
Proctor Pete.
Oh, Rectal Rick.
Rectal Rick.
Rectal
Anal
Rick.
Andy, I forgot.
Anal Andy. So, yeah, that's what's happening.
So, hide your kids. Okay, it's the morning after. Bo,
Yeah, bud.
David, myself, stayed on a footprint 4 feet by 2 feet. Frank had the Palace of Luxury tent over here by himself. Yeah, we kept hearing the sound of women all night and some locals. It's roughly 5:24 in the morning. We are early risers. We're going to get going, and we're going to check back in later from the waterfall.
A vital part of every camping trip.
The smell is lovely.
Yeah.
The aroma.
You wafting it?
Incense, almost.
Okay.
I think you should stop the video now.
So this is what happens in 20-degree weather to your water bottle. I have no explanation for this.
Shake weight. Always this guy.
Oh, they're just filtering water. That's what they're doing.
Oh.
Peanut butter sticks to the roof of the mouth.
I don't really feel like opening up the reservoir and getting it out.
Hello, la la la. We're going ice skating, boys.
I think David could walk out on that.
Wow, this is like.
Hey, leave it alone, man.
Yeah, I wouldn't take that off. They'll come find us. I get the feeling some deer have been cleaned on this. Yeah, because it smells like death. I picked up a stranger. Hey dog, what's your name?
Jeans are a bad choice. This is wildly uncomfortable.
Yeah.
5-6 miles to go.
I think we found the Red Humper's house. You can rent this, huh?
Looks sort of
Like a torture device, maybe? I don't know, something.
That's what they hang people up by their ears.
Yeah. You going across?
As soon as you turn that camera on.
Doesn't look great.
I guess we're almost back.
Almost. So, we're there at the first parking lot. So, Dave and I are still here walking. Bo and Ben stormed off. I mean, I told Bo that he was fat, and I told Ben that he drives like a girl, but I don't think that's a reason for them to want to segregate themselves. We're there. The casualties.
I lost the dog.
We did lose the dog. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, we didn't have to
We
eat
did.
it. True. Oh, we started.
And I'll stop. Finger's looking a little,
Not quite invaginated
That's
yet.
a 3 centimeter imagination. I've seen better.
I'm ready.
Alright, let's get out of here.
We're back in DC.
Sweet cab rice cake, she don't care how the sweets taste. Fake Philly cheesesteak, but you use real